Well, look at him run off. But this is how we start the morning.
Morning.
Morning. Well, hello, fellow car modelers. Hello, my fellow car. It is breakfast time. We are at the start of the show here, ACME, and well, we're gonna have our breakfast real fast, and then we'll see you in there. Cue the music. Into the room, and I got myself a helper here. He's carrying my models. Because how many models you bring, Matthew?
How many you got in here?
He brought none. Good grief. Okay, we're entering. Oh, and nice haul. Well, let's go put some models on the table.
Yeah. Cars or that kind of stuff? No, nobody's gonna know.
I said, you remember when I was putting the sportsman car together and all the
More Clay's cars here. We didn't even show this yet.
I said, yeah. I said, that's what that is.
Clay's new creation. It's been all over the Facebooks.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love them on rotisseries or rotating tables because it makes it easy to shoot.
Okay, we're back. We're visiting with some folks.
Wow, that's absolutely.
Being a petty man,
Well, hell, I'm gonna squeeze in with Hobby Dude 007 here to shoot the same car at the same time. That is nice, isn't there, Mark?
Use it up before Luka can get some. Yeah, there's some really good stuff on the tables.
There is. Ooh, an IROC car. Cool.
This IROC, I have seen.
Look at this. Now, me being the Big Days of Thunder fan, someone actually doing although Benedetti was the driver, which was actually Don Simpson, who was the producer of the movie. That was always a cool car. Finally, somebody did a model of it. I've never seen one built.
That number 34 right there was also scheduled to be in the movie Days of Thunder. We really didn't see it, but
awesome. And this is just a NASCAR table. Where do we see the rest of it?
as Luka just.
I gotta say, I'm almost overwhelmed. And this is the early bird. The show actually hasn't opened. You could get early bird passes to come in and put your stuff down. And the tables are already almost full. And there he is, BG.
Like and subscribe.
So the boss, Dennis, he says, you got to check out Bill Cunningham. Bill Cunningham. So we're looking at these little old road racers. Because, Dennis, you love the road racing, don't you? You eyeball that stuff. But this, we got to tell you, what were you saying, Dennis? This is all
of his drawings, and he prints it out himself. We need to find him and let him explain it.
Really? So these are like 100% scratch built.
Scratch built.
3D printed. Yeah, there's new and improved by Bill.
On Facebook.
Definitely. Wow, this show is absolutely sensory overload. This thing, I saw this from across the way when you're bringing me over here. I cannot believe this bird cage.
Yeah, they're dead on.
Oh, man, is that beautiful. Not a kit.
Not a kit.
Not a kit.
I don't think any part of it has any kits. It's all 100% scratch built.
Absolutely extraordinary.
Printed.
Now, this is nuts.
Oh, it's
This little Ferrari right here.
yeah.
Oh, my.
Yeah, I watched he posts as he goes, and he even tells you where he had problems with it and everything like that. But
I gotta beautiful. Start watching. I knew the name. I'll definitely be looking him up a lot more. That is just incredible.
Yeah, you need to friend him on Facebook because he's got a lot of cool.
I will. So you all look for him on Facebook. Yes. Oh yeah, he was talking to me about it. I already talked to Rob, and we're gonna go look at that in a minute over there. Boy, there's all this. And look at this insane truck. And then, that's mine. It's like, Who cares? There's this. And this is Tim Casper. That's outstanding. That's some work. This is some beautiful stuff. I wish I could showcase every model here, but we just don't have enough time today. Oh, talk about 40s. I'm gonna give the name. I'm so glad the names are on the cards so people can get recognition. Oh, that is nice. But another one of Rob's creations here. Oh, and Rob, there you are. Tell the story about this. You were telling me. This thing's fascinating.
Our club Ohio Challenge contest in 20, and I got the idea from a rendering I found. A guy in the UK. It looked like he took a petty car and he made it a street machine. Well, I started to do that, and I saw this great-looking Pontiac on a real car, painted like 2 colors like this, and I thought, oh, I'm going to try something totally different.
Yeah, that is nuts. And what? It's like 2 cars in one, too. You got a black side and a green side.
It's like a two-face.
Yeah, totally.
With the carbon fiber as the small stripes, the carbon fiber decals as a trim.
Oh, what company did you use? Decal company. Oh, that's
Scale
nice.
Motorsports.
Yeah, I got a bunch of their stuff. That is a beautiful decal for me. Wow, that thing is absolutely. Oh, I like the Petty 40 right there.
Yeah.
That's cool. Wow. And again, wow.
That's the only.
To show this. This is another one of Rob's creations. Holy cow.
I'm drawing a blank here. Anyhow, they did it for charity. And every department built their cars at auction. It's an auction. That's what it was. So what we did is I worked with a designer.
Superior work.
Cadzilla. I only have a couple pictures. So we took the Cadzilla.
Are you spending money?
Of course. Always. Can I borrow some?
I got a little bit.
Do I need loan papers?
Oh, absolutely. Ooh, oh boy.
Awesome stuff.
Okay, now I see what you're looking at.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, I got to get this YouTube stuff out of the way so I can do some
Well, go
shopping.
right ahead. Can I help you out in any way?
Yeah, here, take the phone.
Okay, let me do this. Yeah. Hey, this is Luka Cee on his own channel today.
And
got,
upside
got
down.
Rick over here with Heartbeat Model Shop. Got some awesome products down through here from JPS Customs. Man, he got great stuff. If y'all can ever help this gentleman out, buy it from him. Over to Luka now.
All righty.
Oh, let me flip it back around.
Oh, thank you, sir.
It's broke now. Put it on my car.
The theme class, precious metals. There's some outstanding stuff here. This is a tough class. This is going to be tough.
Still missing to this day. Well,
Tell you, Ricky is missed to this day.
I
So
know it. He was a character. That's Terrell Wolf, and I met him last night.
Oh, yeah.
speaking of Ricky,
Yeah, that's his.
Oh, yeah. There's his body, Ricky Crouch's body.
I think I don't know if Gerald brought that, but that may be Ricky's. No. His was called the Barracuda. He called it Bad Fish.
Bad fish, yeah.
It is loading up. The doors are open now fully. And oh, here's Fred Henry's stuff. Been wanting to see his. We already talked to Pappy. No need to discuss anything with him. You're recording? Oh, yeah. No problem. Oh, man. Monty Davis. And we're going to talk to the builder of this car here real shortly. That's my buddy Tim Mullins. Let me go get Tim. We'll take a closer look at that. He's got some really cool hot rods we're going to look at. Oh man, there's tons of stuff. I like that. That's cool. Who's this? Being murdered? Oh, Irving, I dig your style. That's nice. I think he likes blue.